Hey everyone! Have you ever found yourself needing Microsoft 365 but balking at the price tag? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get it on your macOS absolutely free. Let's dive in. First things first, why would you want Microsoft 365 on your Mac? Whether it's for crafting documents in Word, crunching numbers in Excel, or creating powerful presentations in PowerPoint, Microsoft 365 is a powerhouse suite that can boost your productivity. But let's face it, it's not exactly wallet-friendly. Now to the good part. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft website. Instead of heading to the Purchase section, navigate to the Office section and look for a link to the Microsoft 365 trial. Yes, you heard that right, a free trial. This trial typically lasts for 1 month, which is perfect for those short-term projects or just getting a feel for the software. Click on the Try 1 Month Free button. You'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, don't worry. Creating one is quick and straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to a download page. Here, click on the Install button to begin downloading Microsoft 365. It's a pretty straightforward process, but make sure your Mac meets the software requirements to ensure a smooth installation. After downloading, open the installer and follow the instructions. It will guide you through the steps necessary to get Microsoft 365 up and running on your Mac. Installation usually takes just a few minutes, so hang tight. And that's it. Once installed, you can start using all the features of Microsoft 365 without spending a dime. Remember, the trial lasts for 1 month, so make the most of it. Explore, create, and see if it suits your needs. Before I wrap up, a quick tip. If you're a student or educator, you might be eligible for a completely free version of Microsoft 365. Check out Microsoft's education site for more details. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you get Microsoft 365 on your Mac without breaking the bank. Catch you in the next video.